This is my tomato. These are angry tomatoes. Comparing to him, they're cute, but not so cute. This is a ducky duck. This is a ducky duck, and this is a really angry tomato. Oh, it's a really angry tomato. And this is a fox tomato. Some apple. Some really ugly bird. So those are my kitty collections. And this can be actually pumpkin, foxer. And this is a kitty. Duck is the cutest one. Comparing to the big house tomato. But this one is moving, he wants to escape. Hello.